my name is Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and today I'm going to show you some tools for spacing when you're doing dictation into text. So first, we're going to talk a little bit about the new line command and the new paragraph command. But first we have to wake up the microphone. Wake up. And next, I'm going to show you how to use these very important spacing tools. The new line command is essentially the same as pressing the enter key on your keyboard. Period. So I'll show you how to use it. Just say new line, and you see that it automatically moves the text to the next line, or begins the text on the next line, and puts a space in the middle. Period. And then you want to use the new paragraph command when it's time to make a new paragraph. Again, notice I'm not saying those commands together because it will execute it. For example, at the end of this paragraph, I'm going to say, period, new line, or rather, new paragraph. And you see it puts the proper spacing in. An additional space, period. This is great for anyone who wants to create text and use the proper spacing. Period. Go to sleep. So once again, I am Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and you could follow me on my website. You can follow me on Facebook. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel and get new updates on tips on how to use Dragon Naturally Speaking proficiently. You could also visit my website and get the full e-course on how to use Dragon Naturally Speaking. Look forward to talking to you soon or seeing you soon. Bye bye.